Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to LDOT. In today's product review, we are unboxing and reviewing a smart panel heater. It's that time of the year in this part of town, and I'm pretty sure everybody's looking for heating options. For my specific needs, I was looking for a heater that I could use in a baby's room. Therefore, we went with a smart panel heater, obviously all in the name of home automation. So let's get into it. So the product we're looking at is the Amaze Solar Smart Heater. Amaze is an appliance manufacturer from India, and they have two versions of the panel heater. There is the Solo as well as the Dual panel heater. With the Solo obviously having a single panel, whereas the Dual would have two panels. Now what makes this heater a smart heater? The heater has a programmable timer which would automatically turn the heater on or off according to your parameters that you have set. The heater also has functionality which is supported by the eWelink app, which should be familiar to all of you if you have dabbled a bit in any home automation. And lastly, all of this is made possible by the built-in Wi-Fi capability of this heater. Now, I would like to pause at this stage just a little bit. As I was reading all of these features, I started having some suspicions because all of these features are sounding a little bit familiar, but we will later get into that. Let's get back into the information around the panel. The heater has a 3-year warranty, which is nice. It shows confidence in the build quality. The top right of the box contains some general features around why someone would pick a panel heater over and above a normal bar heater or gas heater. Now these details apply to all panel heaters regardless of whether or not it's smart or not. The following are the 7 features that can be seen. The use of a convection heat technology. The heater is energy efficient in comparison to other traditional heaters. The surface of the heater can be painted once it's been mounted onto the wall. The heater is suitable for all allergy sufferers because it doesn't dry up as much as the air as a normal heater would. The heater is virtually silent, so the only sound it makes is when it's automatically turning on or off. And there's a slight click sound here and there, but it's nothing that is annoying at all. The heater is easy to install, and then lastly, the heater has obviously a modern design that can fit in well to any household. As I mentioned before, the setup would be quite straightforward. It's a simple 5-step process. Let's have a look. So for step 1, you can see what I'm doing, essentially marking the different points that I'll be using for the drilling. Step 2, you can see now I'm busy drilling the holes where the mounting screws will be installed. For step 3, you can see I'm inserting the mounting screws. Step 4, you can see I'm now busy hanging the panel heater. And the final step, you can see it's the entire setup, just making sure it's tightly screwed onto the wall and doesn't fall off. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Do leave a comment below if you have any further questions or any further details you'd like me to share with you. Most importantly, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you can catch future content. I thank you for your time, and I will see you on the next one. I'm out.